Welcome to Deerfield in the beautiful Orcutt, California. And I'm excited to take you through a tour of this prestigious neighborhood and this gorgeous home that we'll be taking on market soon. Deerfield is known for its luxurious and expansive properties, where each home is situated on lots typically an acre or more, providing plenty of space and privacy. Homes here are rarely available for sale, making this a unique opportunity to join a truly exclusive community. Now let me introduce you to the stunning home in the heart of Deerfield. Nestled on just under an acre, this impressive home, a hair under 4,000 square feet, boasts 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and ample space for comfort and room for entertaining. The grandeur of this home begins at the entrance, with a circular driveway leading to a 3-car garage and a heavy wooden front door that exudes sophistication. Step inside to discover an inviting open floor plan that seamlessly blends the kitchen and family room, perfect for both intimate gatherings and grand celebrations. This gourmet kitchen features a large island, stone flooring, and high-end appliances, ideal for culinary creativity. Enjoy the elegance of beam ceilings in the welcoming living room, the sophisticated dining room, and the spacious family room. Outside, the expansive lot provides a serene backdrop for outdoor enjoyment. Savor beautiful sunsets on the patio under the pergola, complete with a built-in barbecue. The backyard with no homes behind it offers a peaceful and private retreat, enhanced by planter beds and fruit trees. This home perfectly balances elegance and comfort, offering an exceptional living experience for those seeking a refined lifestyle. Located in a tranquil setting, yet conveniently close to amenities, it provides the best of both worlds. Just a short drive from Deerfield, you'll find the charming Old Town Orcutt. With its small town feel, friendly locals, and unique shops, including barbershops, restaurants, and furniture stores, Old Town Orcutt offers a welcoming atmosphere. Despite its quaint charm, it's well connected to the larger city, providing you all the amenities you need. Come experience fine living in the stunning Deerfield home. Contact us today for a private showing. I'm Francia, and I'm excited to welcome you to your new home.